Greetings, friends. Welcome to CP Careers. We are happy to come back to you with a new position today, which is a project and a product head position, which is based at Bangalore. Now, this particular position is a very important position for the organization. This position will be responsible for end to end IT management of the product which this particular would have to take the ownership of. This is particularly a product based company, and this is a multinational company which is primarily a retail company, and we are looking for somebody who would have the skills of managing the entire project end to end. So let's dive into the position and understand what it is. So this is a project and product head position, location at Bangalore. We are looking for 5 to 15 plus years of experience. So 5 plus years of product ownership experience. Must have minimum 5 years experience, and the skills which are required are information architecture, ServiceNow, ITSM knowledge is a must have, database and CMDB knowledge. If I'm talking about knowledge, it means that the candidate needs to prove this in the projects. It's a hands-on experience. We're not talking of knowledge means you have certification or you have read the books and you have the knowledge. No. What we are looking for is hardcore hands-on experience. So please note that down. Database and CMDB knowledge, asset and data modeling, agile methodologies. This is the base of this entire project. Automation mindset, non-hierarchical mindset, extremely collaborative mindset. This is the personality traits that we are looking at, and we're looking at candidates who should have a good technical qualification to back it up. This is one of the secure positions that a candidate can expect. The company is cash rich, company is a leader in its industry. So the candidates get excellent career stability, career growth opportunities. So now coming to the job profile, we are looking at somebody who will take end-to-end ownership of the product, full life cycle from ideation to optimization, with ultimate accountability for business and user value delivered. Set ambitious and clear product mission and OKRs and translate these into prioritized roadmap and team backlog that drive aggregate KPIs. Now, understanding this thing, it's basically a product ownership position. Who can deliver value? This position would be responsible for driving the business, making sure that the IT side of this particular division of the product is taken care of beautifully. So this person would have a team reporting to it. Any process problem would be taken care by this particular position. So at the end, align with other product owners to ensure interfaces to other products and common KPIs are maintained. Monitor and manage financial impact of decision and priorities of the product team. So closing this particular video, if you think that you are matching these skills, please submit your CV here. When you click on this, a form would open up wherein you will have to fill in the required questions. Based on those questions, your application will be taken further. If you have some questions, you can click on chat with us and you can ask the questions to us. We would be happy to answer them. We are looking at really good candidates for this. So we'll look forward to connecting with you. And we look forward to connecting with you, associating with you, and moving forward with you. And we'd like to request you to please subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell so that if there is any new position uploaded, you can come to know of this instantly and you do not miss the opportunity. We are more than happy to reciprocate. We would love to have a two-way channel with you. You can ask questions, we would love to respond to them if we can, relevant to the positions that we have. So thank you, friends, and we are looking forward to your applications. And if you think that you are not matching and you know somebody who's matching, please share this video with others who can get the benefit of this, and they would share their blessings with you. Thank you, friends. Have a great time. God bless.